Hey guys, in today's video we will see how to solve a job allocation problem. The reason this problem is really important is it appears in almost every exam and it takes you just 4 or 5 minutes to solve. It will optimize your time taken in the exam. You can easily score 8 or 9 marks, and this question is almost sure in every exam. Now let's look at the question. This is taken from your December 2022 exam question paper. This is from your scanner. Let's see what the problem is and how to easily solve this problem. The following table shows the time remaining and the work remaining for 5 jobs of ZBA Limited. The 5 jobs are A, B, C, D, and E. The time remaining or the days remaining until due date are 12/7/284 and the days remaining of work are 13/9/541. This is a job sequencing problem and the question asks you to sequence these jobs in 5 different methods. Your first come first serve, your early due date job first or EDD, your least slack, your shortest processing time and the longest processing time. It's a very simple problem. Now let's see how we solve this problem. So first, let's just write down the given data from the problem. A, B, C, D, and E. These are the 5 jobs. You have 12/7/284 until due date. 12/7/284 until your due date. And the time remaining to complete is 13/9/541. 541. So the first part of your question is first come, first serve. Easiest part of the 5 choices. First come, first serve means you take it in the same order. So your sequence is A, B, C, D, E. Easy 1 mark. The second part of the question is early due date job first or EDD. Now, which job has the earliest due date? Job C needs to be completed in 2 days. So it is C followed by E, which has 4 days, followed by B, which has 7 days, followed by D, which has 8 days, followed by A, which has 12 days. Easy. Question done. Third choice, least slack. Now, before we go to least slack computation, we first need to understand what is slack. Slack is just the difference between the due date and the time remaining. So for each job, calculate how many days are pending versus what is the time remaining to complete the job. So you have 12 days to due date and 13 days remaining in the job. So it becomes -1, -2, -3, 4, and 3. This basically tells you how much slack you have for that job. For example, if I take job D, you have 8 days to complete the job. The due date is 8 days, but you only have 4 days of work. So you can do this job at the end. On the other hand, if I look at C, it has 5 days of work remaining, but only 2 days for the due date. So this is the least value of -3. So for slack, compute the slack for every job, and then the sequence is from most negative to highest number. So in this case, it will be C, followed by B, followed by A, followed by E, followed by D. Done. Third choice is done. Fourth. Fourth and fifth are also really simple. Shortest and longest processing time. Shortest processing time, just look at the time taken for each job and sequence in that order. E has the shortest processing time, followed by D, followed by C, followed by B, followed by A. Fifth one, longest processing time. Do this in reverse. A, B, C, D, and E. Done. You have 5 questions. You got 9 marks. It took us just 5 minutes to solve this problem. This is the easiest 9 marks you will ever score in any exam. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.